Living in such a fast-paced world, it can be easy to grab your herbal products and go without thinking of the many people that help to produce them along the way. When it comes time to harvest valerian root, we must first think of the spring growing season when the valerian was planted. Love and care is put in as each seed is pressed into the soil. As summer passes by, each plant must be watered and tended to. The leaves above ground must be cared for before we can even see the roots we desire. Once we reach late fall, it is now time to honor the root. The roots must be dug up, cleaned, sorted, dried, and milled. Many hands touch these precious roots before they become the herbal products we know and love, like valerian tincture. Today, think of the health supplement you took, a meal you ate, or tea you drank, and imagine all of the farmers who helped to bring that experience to you. Let's take a moment to honor their work and commitment.